Students, this is the example of exercise 1.4. Here minus 36 divide by 12 in one bracket and divide by 3 outside the bracket. So first we will simplify this. Minus 36 divide by 12. Here 1 is negative integer and 1 is positive integer. So we have seen the answer will be negative integer. 12 3s are 36. So minus 3 divide by 3. Here once again one negative and one positive integer. So 3 1s are 3. Answer is minus 1. Next example. Minus 6 plus 5 in one bracket divide by minus 2 plus 1. Here first we will simplify this. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5 is equal to minus 1. Divide by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. We have seen this type of sum in exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Now both the integers are negative. So 1 1s are 1. The answer is minus 1 divided by minus 1. So the answer is 1. So you can solve this type of sums in exercise 1.4. Next, verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Here A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 2. This is our left hand side. So here LHS is equal to A divided by B plus C is equal to A is equal to 12 divide by B plus C. B is equal to minus 4 plus C is equal to 2 is equal to 12 divide by minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now 12 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 6. 2 6 are 12 minus 6. Now RHS. RHS is A divided by B plus A divided by C. A divided by B. So 12 divided by minus 4 in one bracket plus A. Once again 12 divided by C is equal to 2 in second bracket. 12 divided by minus 4. The answer is minus 3. 4 3s are 12 and it is the negative integer. Plus 12 divided by 2. Here both the integers are positive. So 2 6 are 12. So here is the positive integer. Now minus 3 plus 6 is equal to, the answer is 3. Here you can see LHS and this is RHS. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. So here we have verified that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So solve this type of one more question in exercise. Next, the temperature, here is the sum. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. 10 degrees Celsius above 0 means plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, that means per hour, that is every hour it decrease 2 degrees Celsius. So suppose at 12 noon the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, then at 1 pm the temperature will be 10 degree minus 2 degree is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. Per hour unit until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? 8 degrees Celsius below 0. 8 degrees Celsius below 0 means minus 8 degrees Celsius. So what would be the temperature at midnight? Here is the two questions. First is, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? That means at what time the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius. And the second question is, what would be the temperature at midnight? Here is the sum. See, temperature at 12 noon is plus 10 degrees Celsius. In 1 hour, it decrease 2 degrees Celsius. Number of hours from 12 noon to 12 midnight, that is at midnight, 12 hours. From 12 noon to midnight, how many hours? 12 hours. Change in temperature in 1 hour is equal to minus 2 degree Celsius, because here it is given that in 1 hour it decrease 2 degrees Celsius. So change in temperature in 1 hour is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, put the statement. Change in temperature in 12 hours is equal to 12 to minus 24 degree Celsius. So in 12 hours minus 24 change in temperature is minus 24 degree Celsius. Temperature at midnight is equal to 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 24 degrees Celsius. This is the change in temperature in 12 hours, and this is the starting temperature at 12 noon. So 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 24 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius. So your second question, what will be the temperature at midnight? The temperature at midnight is minus 14 degree Celsius. Now temperature 8 degrees Celsius below 0 means minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now you have to find at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below the 0, that is, at what time would the temperature be minus 8 degrees Celsius? Here, temperature difference between 10 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. So 10 degree minus into minus plus 10 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. So at 18 divided by 2. Why 2? Because the difference it decrease at every hour 2 degrees Celsius. So we have written here 2 degrees Celsius. So 8 upon 2 is equal to 9. So 9 pm, the temperature at 9 pm, the temperature would be at 8 degree below 0. So you get your first question's answer. Next question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? First we will see only first question. Here what is given? Here given that marks for every correct answer is equal to plus 3 and marks for incorrect answer is minus 2. First, Radhika. She has got 12 correct answer. So marks scored for correct answer is equal to 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. So she scored for 36 marks for correct answer. Total marks she scored is equal to 20. That is given. So marks scored for incorrect answer is equal to 20 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. Therefore, number of incorrect answer is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2 is equal to 8. So Radhika attempted 8 incorrect answers. Now same for the Mohini. Here see Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Though she has got 7 correct answers. So first we will find marks for 7 correct answers. So 7 3s are 21 marks. So she has got 21 marks for correct answer and her total score is minus 5. So for incorrect answer first find marks for incorrect answer and then find the number of incorrect answer. So you can do this sum by yourself. Try to do this sum as question number 1. Now last question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute means 6 in 1 minute the mine shaft descends 6 meter. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? First we will draw here this is the ground level. Meter above the ground level and 350 meter means minus 350 meter below the ground level. So the total distance is from above to below ground level, the total distance is 10 plus 350 is equal to 360 meter. So first we will find total distance. Total distance is equal to 350 meter plus 10 meter is equal to 360 meter. Now we have given that an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. That means, now write the statement. Time taken for 6 meter is equal to 1 minute. Here what is the total distance? 360 meter. Time taken for 6 meter is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, time taken for 360 meter is equal to cross multiplication 360 multiplied by 1 upon 6 is equal to 6 are 36 and put 0. So 60 minute. So time taken for 360 meter is equal to 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So it will take 1 hour to reach minus 350 meter because minus 350 meter below the ground and 10 meter above the ground. So total 360 meter. So it will take 1 hour. So complete exercise 1.4 in your homework.